This morning, Canada's Wonderland near Toronto, Ontario, Canada has announced their new for 2023 editions. Tundra Twister, a first-of-its-kind flat ride, and Snoopy's Racing Railway, a double-launched family coaster, the park's 18th coaster, will both be coming to the park. First, the flat ride. Tundra Twister will be located near Yukon Striker. It will rotate, it looks like, on every axis, and, quote, will be a sight to behold, swinging and spinning guests high above the midway. Riders will spin 360 degrees, 154 feet or 47 meters high in the air, and reach speeds of up to 46 miles per hour or 75 kilometers per hour. This is a very nice addition to a park that already has a lot of other thrilling flat rides. On top of this, the park announced Snoopy's Racing Railway. This coaster will go through multiple show buildings and contain multiple launches. The initial launch will accelerate 0 to 31 miles per hour, or 50 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds. Families and children will zip through dips and turns as you try to avoid Woodstock and his bad seed gang. This is located in Planet Snoopy. While it is a multi-launch, Snoopy is definitely a family-oriented ride, while Tundra Twister is more for the thrill seekers. Both of these are great additions to balance out an already perfect lineup. The manufacturers are not yet known, but I would assume the attractions are either Gerstlauer or Zamperla. Well, that's going to do it from here at Great Adventure Geek. For more theme park news, make sure to leave a like, a comment, or maybe consider subscribing. We'll see you next time.